Hi, it's Patrick. My favourite app this week is BLEASS Flanger from BLEASS. The audio wizards at BLEASS have worked their magic once again here, turning what on the face of it is a pretty boring effect into a creative tool unlike anything else on the App Store. BLEASS were kind enough to let me help beta test their Flanger app over the last month or so, and I'm happy to report that this thing is great. Available on iPad and iPhone, BLEASS Flanger packs in 2 LFOs, 3 modulation stages, and beat synchronization into a slick, lightweight, and easy to use AUV3 effect. The user interface will be instantly familiar if you have used any of BLEASS's other apps, and the understated design of the different knobs, sliders, and buttons here make finding your way around a breeze. BLEASS have included 13 presets here to get you started, which range from subtle flangery overtones to wibbly wobbly chaos. You can adjust filter type and parameters on the left of BLEASS Flanger's interface and get stuck into its robust LFO options here. You can add a second LFO here. Having both LFOs going for it simultaneously is the key to creating some unique flanger sounds. You can adjust envelope and delay settings here, and adjust the polarity and dry wet amount on the right of the UI. You can use BLEASS Flanger in standalone mode or hook it up to your iOS DAW of choice as an AUV3 plugin. In GarageBand, this means adding it to an existing instrument track via the plugins and EQ menu. If you've not cottoned on by now, I really like this app. Like all of their takes on traditionally straightforward effects, BLEASS have added a whole host of additional features, controls, and neat little touches here to set this Flanger app apart from other similar effects. You can pre-order BLEASS Flanger on the App Store for iPad and iPhone for $4.99 until August the 25th, at which point it will be released into the world and the price will increase to $6.99. So don't miss out. You'll find a link to that down below. I'll be back with another great app next week. In the meantime, let me know what apps you think I should be checking out down in the comments. I've been Patrick from thegaragebandguide.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.